my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, welcome to this humble abode full of love, laughter, positivity, and above all else, glamour. So, the other week, I had done an episode where I had this kind of pixie bang, and you guys lived for it. Mama Fumi, Auntie Fumi, Mama Fumi, Auntie Fumi, sis, show us, give us a tutorial. I said, I got you, girl. I always got you. You don't even know how much I love you, my Fumi Nation. You don't know. I love you so very much. And I said, why not? And here we are. And I am going to show you how to get this hairstyle from a simple ponytail. It sounds unbelievable. Let me turn it around for you so you can see how fabulous this is. And you can put a hair clip right here. You can actually really do anything. All kinds of clips you can put in the back here. You can also put something on the side, whatever, you know, just to give that zhuzh. You can wear this hairstyle everywhere and anywhere. You are really, really put together, mama. You will get so many compliments. So many compliments. I get compliments all the time. Mrs. Desalu-Vold, you look gorgeous. Even Ula, for me, you look fabulous, miss. All right, darlings. Grab your pen. Grab a strip of hair. That will also work. Not a problem. And sit back, take notes, and enjoy. From me to you. Okay? I love you guys. All right, my darling. So the first thing we do is put your hair in a bun. Okay? So I'm just going to brush this hair up. And we're going to bring it all the way. Let me just show you from the back. You're going to brush all that hair up loops, like so. Okay? And this just really gives you diversity. You know how I love my ponytail, but you can't have ponytail every single day. So I take a rubber band, and my hair is super hydrated and is growing. Look. Is growing because I'm using the honey hydration. That's what I'm using. So what I do is that I just wrap that over into a little bun, you know, put that in there, and there we go. Okay, so we got that. Then you take your ponytail. I love the ponytails that has the drawstring. In those days, back in the day, I used to wrap like a long strip of hair and tighten my hair and really suffocate it. That was what I was doing. I didn't know it at the time. I was suffocating the hair and it wasn't breathing, and I lost all of that. So we're not doing that no more. Alrighty, so we got the ponytail as is, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this over my head like so. Yeah, I'm going to tilt it to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Put my hand, and here's the drawstring, yeah? And then you take that little thing there and you pull it into your hair. That's what keeps the tail on. Then you wrap this around the hair, okay? You wrap that around the hair. And then what you do, the extension, bring that in front, not in the back. That has to look clean. And then you bring it in front. This is where you're going to pin it, because this part is not going to show. Don't worry about that. Okay? So you can just pin that, and that goes in front like so. Yeah? Then you've got this gorgeous, lovely hair right here, which we love. You are going to take it. You're going to twist it 1-2 times, and you're going to hold it right there. Do you see? Twist and hold right there. Take an elastic band, and what you have twisted, put the elastic band over that to hold it in place, mama. There we go. See? Voila. Just make it really cute, ruffled, tousled, and everything. There you go. And what do we have in front of us? We have bangs, baby. We got what? We got bangs. And you just swish it to the side, and there you go. Let me turn it around for you so that you can see, and you'll be like, oh wow. It is so simple. It is so gorgeous. They'll be like, well, damn, what did you do? Cherie. It's a ponytail. And that is it. Let me turn it around for you so you can see. And there. Completely clean and done. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? You're completely glammed up. You're looking absolutely gorgeous, and you can put accessories also into the hair. You can wear this to work. You can wear this to a wedding. You can wear this to dinner. You can look gorge. The woman, the fabulous woman that you are. I hope you enjoyed this, my darlings. And of course, we have a gorgeous lip. And this is by JUVIAS, please. I'm wearing the metallic, the lighter one. Let me see if I even want to darken it a little bit. Oh, yes. Yes. I love this shade. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? And this is by JUVIAS, please. And don't forget to use my discount code, Fumi. Darlings, don't forget to leave your comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you, my darlings, very soon. Do we love, darlings? I love. I live.